morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Today is September 8th, Tuesday. I'm here with the 2020 clean my kitchen with me. So my kitchen is very messy, so I was just like, I need to clean it. Before I get into cleaning, I'm going to make me some coffee and I'm going to make my husband and son some breakfast. I just wanted to give you guys some encouragement today, but I just wanted to tell you that you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. And I feel like we all have a choice whether we want to go with faith or fear. And today I'm choosing faith. You should choose faith too. I like the way that I start my mornings. I wake up with praise. I wake up with just thanking God for what I'm grateful for, and it makes you just feel so good. So if you don't already do that, definitely wake up and just open your mornings with praise and prayer, y'all. But yeah, anyways guys, let's get into this video.
Oh wait, what's your name again? Wayne?
Just another night, I was feeling fine. Instinct playing bye, bye, bye. Then we found, boy, I had to try, I can't even lie. Didn't really think you changed my mind, but what can you do? I guess I needed to, yeah. I'm feeling really into you. It's not like I wanted to, but I just wanna be with you tonight. You were like, hello, 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 and I was like, oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm used to flying solo, solo, solo. I'm in trouble now, I'm in trouble now. Now I'm singing like, ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. No, I don't wanna fight what I feel. For the first time it feels so real. Take a part, take a part, take a part of me. Take my heart, make it ours, we can let it be. Hold me in your arms and make me feel like I'm the only one. Cause I just need to be with you tonight. You were like, hello, 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 and I was like, oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm used to flying solo, solo, solo. I'm in trouble now, I'm in trouble now. Now I'm singing like, ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Now I'm singing like, ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Thought that it'd be good for a minute. Thought that it'd be fast, but it wasn't. You thought that it would last, but I didn't. Then I did it. Yeah, I did it. I started catching feels for you. I started catching feels for you. I started catching feels for you. I. Now I'm singing like, ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Now I'm singing like, ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. You were like, hello, 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 and I was like, oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm used to flying solo, solo, solo. I'm in trouble now, I'm in trouble now. Got a case of FOMO, FOMO, FOMO. I ran away from heartbreak. Got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover. Nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So I then you came around and you played it cool, but I shut it down. So you took it to and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different and it had to be you. for me, we were just friends. But we started building trust and my fragile heart started to mend. Yeah, I should've paid attention. You would've been the obvious choice, but I needed time to see clearly, dig deep and cut through the noise.